24. Now I am from question number 25. Okay, all question I am doing. Okay, only one or two question I have given you as a homework. Just complete that one. Now the 25th question. Fx is equal to sin x minus cos x minus cos x minus 1 if x is not equal to 0 or x is equal to 0. X is not equal to 0 or x is equal to 0. देखो बेटा अदरवाइज देखो sin x and cos x both are continuous function. ठीक है, difference of two continuous function is always continuous. So first of all you have to write this statement. ठीक है, sin x minus cos x, sin x आप दो नाम दे सकते हैं. Yesterday we have given gx is equal to sin x, hx is equal to cos x. So gx minus hx both are continuous function and the difference of two continuous function is also continuous. And what about the minus 1? Minus 1 is a constant function, it is also continuous. ठीक है, but may they both fx may be discontinuous at point 0 only. ठीक है, may be discontinuous, not discontinuous. It may be discontinuous at point x is equal to 0. So we will try to find the value of continuity at point x is equal to 0. So if left hand limit or right hand limit if you want to find out, ठीक है, so suppose करो left hand limit if you find equal to limit x tends to 0 fx or limit x tends to 0 f0 minus x. ठीक है, 0 माइनस एक्स का मतलब माइनस एक्स ही हो गया. इट विल बी इक्वल टू लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू 0 sin माइनस एक्स minus cos minus x. ठीक है, if we apply the limit here we will get cos 0 equal to 1, it is equal to minus 1. If we find the right hand limit, so right hand limit is also you will get the value minus 1 only, है ना. What will be the difference? You will write here 0 plus x, 0 plus x, 0 plus x, so sin x minus cos x. You put x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 1. Again minus x, it will be equal to minus 1. Or f0 equal to, f0 is also equal to minus 1. So function is continuous x equal to 0. तो इसमें हमें क्या करना है, पहले तो we have to write a statement. ठीक है, क्या आप लिख सकते हो कि gx is equal to, if we take sin x or hx is equal to cos x, so fx is equal to gx minus hx हो गया. gx and hx both are continuous functions, so fx is also continuous because difference of two continuous function is also continuous. If we take the different value, x is not equal to 0, x is less than 0, ठीक है, or greater than 0, there is no problem, the function will be continuous. It may be discontinuous at point 0, so if we are close to 0, so left hand limit will be minus 1, right hand limit will be also minus 1, a value of the function is also minus 1. All these three things are equal, तो फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस। ठीक है, दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द फंक्शन। ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question number next है, find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point in the exercise. The function they have given you fx is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x or 3 if x is not equal to pi by 2, if x is equal to pi by 2. At x is equal to pi by 2, function is continuous. ठीक है, they have mentioned that the function is continuous at indicated point. Find the value of k. So we have to find the value of k at x is equal to pi by 2. So if we find the left hand limit or right hand limit, function to continuous है, so either you can find out the left hand limit or right hand limit. It depends on you. One limit is sufficient. So we are going to find out the value of left hand limit. Suppose through limit x tends to pi by 2 minus fx. Limit x tends to 0. F pi by 2 minus x. Limit x tends to 0. देखो pi by 2 minus x. If we write here k cos pi by 2 minus x pi minus k 2x pi by 2 minus x. Limit x tends to 0. K cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin x. Pi minus plus 2x. Pi say you can cancel this pi. So it is equal to limit h tends to 0. K sin x upon x. 2 I have written here. We know that the sin theta upon theta, if theta tends to 0 equal to 1. यानी कि it is equal to k upon 2. If we apply the limit. ठीक है, what about the value of f pi by 2? So f pi by 2 is equal to कितना है? They have given you 3. It must be equal to left hand limit. So left hand limit to 3. So we must have k is equal to 6. Just see again, the quotient limit should be equal to, या both should be equal to. तो pi by 2 में हमने फाइंड आउट किया तो pi by 2 minus x. तो pi by 2 minus x में फंक्शन हमारा क्या है? प्लस pi by 2, यानी कि k x is not equal to pi by 2. तो यहाँ पे we have taken which is means we are at closer to point pi by 2 but not exactly pi by 2. So we are using this one, this relation. Okay, either we have to use this relation. This is in multiplication sin h upon x, hence the value of k is equal to 6. Find out the unknown. Okay, I can do all questions, there is no problem. Okay. Question number 2 square or 3 if x is less than equal to 2 or x is greater than 2. ठीक है, ये x इक्वल टू 2 पर कंटिन्यूस गिवन है. तो इफ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, तो वो f2 की वैल्यू जैसे f2 विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच. तो वो f x इक्वल टू 2 पर वी हैव टू पुट इन प्लेस ऑफ x2, तो वी विल गेट 2 स्क्वायर यानी कि 4, यानी कि इट इज इक्वल टू 4. So it is better we can calculate the right hand limit also. And now right hand side we can use this relation. It is a constant. It is a known value. If we try to find the left hand side, so we will get the same answer. Okay, function is continuous. There is no use. So that's why we are calculating here right hand limit here. You know? So right hand limit, if we are calculating, I am just writing here right hand limit x tends to 2 positive fx. Limit s tends to 0, f2 plus x. Limit s tends to 0, 2 plus x. यानी कि greater than 2. If x is greater than 2, you have to write the 3 only. If you apply the limit 3, h tends to 0, ठीक है, there is no use, you will get the answer only 3. So right hand limit must be equal to value of the function यानी कि f2. So right hand limit is equal to 3 और value of the function is equal to 4k. So k is equal to 3 upon 4. ठीक है, this is the answer. We have calculated the value of k. K is in coming in fraction. ठीक है, k may be any value. It doesn't matter. ठीक है, so k is equal to 3 upon 4 is the answer. So difference too much. ठीक है, question little difference you have to do here. We have calculated the right hand limit because by calculating the left hand limit there was no benefit. ठीक है. Now, okay, see the question number 28. They have given you fx is equal to kx plus 1 or cos x if x is less than pi x is greater than pi. ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ पर हमें जो है हमारा एम क्या है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ के. ठीक है, बाय द गिविंग डाटा वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन पाई, वी हैव टू यूज दिस रिलेशन. So less than pi we have to use this relation. So less than or equal to pi we can find out the value of this function. So we first of all we are finding the value of f pi. F pi is equal to k pi plus 1 first. Nothing is we have to do here. Now we are trying to find out the right hand limit. Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to pi positive fx. limit s tends to 0, f pi plus x, limit s tends to 0, pi plus x, है ना? Pi plus x, we are using this relation cos pi plus x. ठीक है? If you expand this one, if you don't expand directly, you can write 0 here, cos it is equal to cos pi, or cos pi is equal to -1. ठीक है? Cos pi is equal to -1. It must be equal to right hand limit should be equal to value of the function, that is f pi. Right hand limit we have got here -1, which must be equal to k pi plus 1. So pi k is equal to minus k 2 upon pi. This is the answer. You know, the value of k is coming in fraction, which is equal to minus k 2 upon pi. इसकी कम समझ में आया है? इतने सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने कर दिए हैं, अब आपकी समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब इसको कोई ऐसी मुश्किल चीज नहीं है. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन करने के बाद भी अगर नहीं समझ में आया, एक क्वेश्चन जनरली आता है लिमिट का, so that's why I am doing all the questions. In one question you will get in your examination, board examination, from this exercise. ठीक है, चलो.